Hello friends, welcome to my Japanese language class. Today we are going to learn lesson 20. In this lesson we will learn plain form. Okay. Still now we will learn polite style. The polite style can be used in any time, any place, with anybody. Mostly it used in daily conversation between two adults who are not two close friends, when one meet with the other first time, when one is superior to others. Even polite style can be used in between the same age group of people when their relationship is not so close. And the plain form, or you can say plain style, is used when we talk with close friends, in family, or with juniors. Generally, plain form used in newspaper and book. Let's see how to make plain form. Futsuke or plain form. Ikimasu and ikimasen non-past form. Ikimashita, ikimasen desita are past form. Ikimasu change to iku. Ikimasen change to ikanai. Ikimashita change to itta. Ikimasen desita change to ikanakatta. Similarly, tabemasu change to taberu. Tabemasen change to tabenai. Tabemashita change to tabeta. Tabemasen desita change to tabena katta. If you want to remember how to make the plain form, this is the very simple way. Ikimasu change to iku. This is the dictionary form. Ikimasen change to ikanai. This is the nai form. Ikimashita change to itta. This is ta form. Ikimasen desita change to ikanakatta. How it is made? Ikanai, you know. That is non-past negative. You just omit e and add katta. Here also same thing. Tabemasu, taberu, this is dictionary form. Tabemasen, tabenai, this is nai form. Tabemashita, tabeta, this is ta form. Tabemasen desita, tabena katta. Here you omit e and add katta. It became past negative. Okay. The same rule apply with ichi group of verb, ni group of verb, and also san group of verb. It means all verb groups, maybe one, maybe two, or maybe three groups of verb. This rule is applicable to all in same way. Like this you can say benkyo shimasu, benkyo suru, benkyo shimasen, benkyo shinai, benkyo shimashita, benkyo shitta, benkyo shimasen desita, benkyo shinakatta. Okay. There is one exception. It comes arimasu. Arimasu change to aru as it is dictionary form. Arimasen, it is nai. Arimashita, it is atta. Arimasen desita, it is nakatta. Rule is same. You just nai, you cut e from here and add katta. It became nakatta. Okay. Next, come to e adjective. Let's learn how to change plain form in e adjective. Look at here. Takai desu, takai. Takakunai desu, takakunai. Takakatta desu, takakatta. Takakunakatta desu, takakunakatta. We need to omit only this. Remain same over here. This is polite style and this is plain form. This is also polite form and this is plain form. Now learn how to change from polite form to plain form in noun, adjective and noun. Polite form, plain form. Genki des, genki da. In polite it is des. It omit des and add da when it changes to plain form. Genki ja arimasen, genki ja nai. Arimasen you already know nai, so ja nai. So non-past negative genki ja arimasen change to plain form genki ja nai. Past positive genki desita change to genki datta. Desita change to datta. Past negative genki ja arimasen desita change to genki ja nakhatta. Comes to noun. In polite sense we have ame des, non-past, past. Non-past positive ame des change to ame da. Des change to da. Non-past negative ame ja arimasen change to ame ja nai. Ja arimasen change to janai. Okay. Past positive ame desita change to ame datta. Here desita change to datta. Past negative ame ja arimasen desita change to ame ja nakhatta. Ja arimasen desita change to jana khatta. Here you find the plain form of noun adjective and plain form of noun both are same. Hope you understand how to change to plain form from the polite form in verb, in a adjective, na adjective and noun. Let's learn how to make sentence in plain form. Polite form, plain form. Gohano tabemasu, gohano taberu. Kono kaban wa omoi desu, kono kaban wa omoi. Nara wa shizuka desu, nara wa shizuka da. Kino wa yuki desita, kino wa yuki datta. Here I give only few sentences for the explanation. Please go to the video lesson 20 vocabulary and grammar notes. In that video I have mentioned details and give more example and more practice set. Please go to that video, you will get more. Here just I have mentioned some example sentence. Okay. Look at here, when you put question how we need to do. Gohano tabemasu ka? In question it will be gohano taberu. When you put question it is writing intention. If taberu, it is a falling intention. When you answer it. Okay. If it is no, tabenai. This is un. Okay. Hope you understand how to change sentence from polite form to plain form. Okay. There are some particles. If we omit in plain form, the meaning and sense of the sentence remain intact. Look at here. Which particle we can omit and which particle we cannot omit. Rinko o cow. In plain form, we can omit o particle. Rinko cow. Nara e ikanai. We can omit a particle. Nara e ikanai. Nara ikanai. Next. Kono kaban wa ine. Kono kaban ine. So we can omit wa particle also. Sokoni naipu ga aru. Sokoni naipu aru, we can omit ga particle also. In plain form, when we make sentence, particle o, a, wa, ga, we can omit. But particle de, ni, kara, made, to, we cannot omit. Today's class is this much. Thank you for watching my class. Sayonara.